Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Polkastarter coin on your Trust Wallet application step by step. First of all, you're going to be heading over to Google Chrome, seeing as that's the browser of choice. Once Google Chrome opens, we're going to be heading over to coinmarketcap.com. The link for this token or the link for this site would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down and head over to the contract addresses. For a fact, Polkastarter has two contract addresses. That's the BNB Smart Chain and the Ethereum. Would be simply copying the BNB Smart Chain, seeing as that's where we're focusing on for today. But this is not to discredit the Ethereum. Ethereum's Polkastarter could be swapped on Uniswap and other exchange platforms that support Ethereum. So after copying the BNB Smart Chain, we minimize and head over to Trust Wallet and head over to the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen, and we paste this contract address right there, and boom, the Polkastarter token is available. We click on it, and right now you have to activate it first, at least so it shows up on your tokens menu, and you click on it again. So you could simply buy this Polkastarter by simply clicking on buy. Unfortunately, this buy option isn't available right now, so we're going to head back and move over to the DApp section where we have the PancakeSwap exchange. Alright guys, you really have to take note that most times PancakeSwap really supports smart chain transactions and Ethereum transactions, so you're good to go when it comes to the Polkastarter. You click on cake and you paste in this contract address for the Polkastarter. Click paste, you click POLS, and what you'd be doing is simply exchanging an amount of your BNB, call it, hold on. Most times you notice that PancakeSwap isn't responsive. It's due to the heavy traffic on the website. So most times you'd be urged to reload before you make any transactions, at least to enable the safety of your transactions. So call it 0.014. That's equivalent to $4.57 USD. That's just 9 polls, 9.99 polls. And you could simply click on swap, and this would bring up a confirm swap notification. And right now you just have to click on confirm swap, and the smart contract call comes up where you simply have to have the network fee of about 2 cents for this transaction. Unfortunately, I don't have enough, but that's how you simply buy your Polkastarter on Trust Wallet. So thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions and you'll be given an answer.